Hi, I'm Sergio with Arvig. Thanks for watching Tech Talk. Today we're going to be talking about a DVR Expander. It's actually a specialized hard drive that you can hook up to your DVR box in your house and lets you add more room so you have even more space to store all your shows and content and programs and everything else you like to record. If you've ever had the problem where you get that message that your DVR is getting close to full while you're watching your favorite show, then this is the box for you. And luckily you can get it right from Arvig. It's very easy to hook up. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the entire process, and I'll answer some kind of frequently asked questions we get about the DVR Expander. So let's go ahead and show you how to hook it up. Okay, so as you can see, we're looking at the back of your DVR box now. And really to hook up the expander to it, it just takes two cords. The first cord is a simple power outlet cord. So I'm going to go ahead and plug the power outlet into the expander, and the other end can go into any electrical outlet. Now it's important at this spot to give it about 20 to 30 seconds for the expander to boot up. It's just got to start spinning the hard disk inside and getting it all ready, so we'll go ahead and give it plenty of time. And once that's ready, you're going to plug in what's called the eSATA cable. It's a very fast data cable type, and you just plug one end into the eSATA port on the back of your box. It's very clearly labeled, so it's not hard to find at all. And the other end goes into the back of the DVR Expander. And that's all there is to it. Now let's take a look at the screen again and see what's popped up. Okay, so after you've hooked the box up, the DVR Expander to your DVR box, you'll get this message or a similar message to it. What it's telling us is this DVR Expander has been hooked up to another cable box in the past and needs to be formatted. You could also get what's called Alert 01. If you notice on this one we have Alert 09. And the only difference is if the DVR box has never been hooked up before. So this is the first time you're hooking an expander up and it needs to format it. An important message about formatting means all data on the hard drive, on your DVR Expander, will be deleted. So if you've used it with a computer in the past or something, just be warned, you will lose that data. So preferably this should be a brand new DVR Expander you've gotten from Arvig and you'll have no trouble at all. We're going to go ahead and choose yes and hit OK. And it's going to go ahead and format for us. Pretty quick process. It's all done. It's also given the drive a name. In this case it named it Drive 1, and we'll hit OK. It's that simple. We're now ready to use our DVR Expander. Okay, so our DVR Expander is hooked up and we're ready to use it. We've gotten a few commonly asked questions about the DVR Expander. One is, what do I need it for? I already have a DVR. And if you're someone that loves HD, I know I do, you're really going to want to consider this. You can store much more content than the built-in DVR, so you can record lots more shows, and it's going to be great for you. Another question is, I have an external hard drive and mine has that eSATA port. Can I hook it up? Possibly. We do allow you to use your own hard drive. We definitely recommend using ours though, for a few reasons. One, if you use your own that you've had with the computer in the past, you will lose that data. And two, if you use one from us, we can guarantee it's going to work to the best of its ability. We've tested the ones that we've gotten in, and they're very close and similarly priced. You're not going to be spending more money or anything like that. So the DVR Expander is a really great product. The last question we get though is, I have lots of set-top boxes in my house. Does it matter where I hook it up? Can I put it in my bedroom or my living room? You should hook it up to the main DVR box in your house, the primary DVR. And the reason for that is once it's stored there, if you have our multi-room capabilities, you can watch content that's stored on that DVR Expander in any room. So don't hook it up to your secondary boxes, just hook it up to the main one. Hey, thanks for tuning into Tech Talk today. I'm glad you watched. I hope you learned a lot about our DVR Expander. If you have more questions, feel free to find us on arvig.com or give us a call at 888-99-ARVIG or stop into any of our Arvig locations. Hey, why not check out our Facebook page too? Facebook.com/ArvigHQ.